Hi there, and thank you for watching. Today we're going to look at installing a WordPress theme onto your WordPress website. Chances are the theme that you get with your install is not the theme that you're going to stick with. You're going to want to either purchase a new WordPress theme or install another free one. So once you've purchased or downloaded a theme, from the WordPress dashboard, you're going to head on over to Appearance and then click on Themes. And here you'll see the default theme that was installed. I'm going to go ahead and click on Add New. And from here, there are many different WordPress themes that you can kind of browse through. You can also search the popular ones, latest, favorites, and you can also filter. But for the website that I'll be creating today, I did purchase the theme on another website and I have the zip file, so I'm going to go ahead and upload it. From there, we click on Choose File. And once you've chosen your file, go ahead and click Install Now. So now that the zip file has uploaded, I'm going to go ahead and click on Activate. And then from here, you'll be asked to install the required plugins that came with your theme. Your screen might look a little bit different from that last screen, but you should be brought to an Install Required Plugins page. And from there, you're going to go ahead and install all of the required plugins. Basically, your new WordPress theme needs all of these plugins to function properly. Now, it's probably okay to just hit the Select All button and then click Install Apply. In the past, I've had situations where I've done that and something has gone wrong. So to play it safe, I kind of do them a few at a time. It's probably not necessary. Maybe it's like a little superstition of mine, I don't know. But I do them a few at a time to play it safe. Okay, and now that those have installed, I'm going to return to the required plugins page. And so these ones are installed, just not activated. I'll go ahead and install a few more. Okay, and again, just about done. So when I say that I've experienced a few weird things by installing all in one shot, it's basically just, things haven't installed properly, that kind of thing. So again, it may not be necessary, but it's just a little habit of mine. And now that all of the plugins have been installed, we're going to go ahead and activate them all. So all of the plugins have been installed. So if we go ahead back to our website and refresh the page, we should see the new theme installed. And there you have it. You've got your new WordPress theme installed on your website using the zip file that you purchased or downloaded.